Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already did my brows. I used the LA Girl brow pomade, and then I also primed my eyes, and I used the Cara Beauty eye primer in the color nude. It's actually a really good primer. So today we're using a Lilac You Alot palette by Colourpop. Such pretty packaging, such beautiful purples. I'm gonna go in with this like brownish purple, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. It had a lot of fallout, as you've seen, so I'm just blending it on my outer corner, but I'm gonna just end up putting it on my whole lid. But definitely be careful with this palette because it has a lot of fallout. I'm just gonna use that mirror just so it's easier for me to see what I'm doing. So I'm just blending out all over where I put that eye primer, just for like a nice subtle base color. I'm just gonna blend that on my whole lid. And I'm doing the exact same thing on my other eye, of course. I sped up the video so you guys won't be too bored watching me doing the same thing to my other eye. Now we're gonna go on with the second color. It's more of like a violet type of purple. I just gently tapped into it, and I'm gonna slowly blend that on my outer corner. And I'm actually took a smaller brush. I'm actually gonna place this above my crease because my eyes are slightly hooded, so I like to bring my eyeshadow a lot higher than anybody else usually would. I'm just blending it in like an angle. Just pay close attention to what I'm doing and just copy it. I'm kind of like angling the eyeshadow onto my lid. It's not going like straight down. And then I'm blending it across. And it's better to use a small brush when doing this because you have more control on where you want the product to go. I'm just gonna bring that into my inner corner. Now I'm gonna leave a space on the middle of my lid because I'm going to be putting a different color there, of course. And now I'm taking that big fluffy brush and I'm just blending out the top because I don't want the lines to be too harsh. So I'm just gonna blend. And now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful royal purple, and blend it to the center of my lid with this. It's kind of a dense but fluffy brush. And I'm just tapping it on because I just want it to blend in with the other color. I don't want the lines to be like too harsh. Make sure you blend a lot so like the two colors can melt into each other. You really don't want harsh lines with this look. And now I'm going to take this really pretty sparkly color in the center. I'm going to put that exactly on top of that purple. Just look how pretty it is. But I'm just taking my finger and smoothing it on top of that royal purple. Because I have to add glitter in my makeup looks. I can't help it. It's so subtle, but it's so pretty. And like in person, you can see it like a lot. It's really pretty. It's just a little something extra, you know, for the look. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix that like violet purple and that royal purple together and put it on my lower lash line. I'm just really gonna smoke out my lower lash line with those purples. Just to make the makeup look more coherent and look more put together. Okay, now we're gonna go on like this like pink glittery color. And it has like purpley sparkles in it. I'm gonna put that into my inner corner of my eyes. It's so pretty in person. I'm just gonna blend it up a little bit and blend it down some. Cause that's just how I like to do my makeup. So pretty. I don't think the camera gives it justice like how pretty it looks in person. So that's what we're looking like. And I'm gonna go in with this silver. It's like a silvery pink. I'm just gonna tap that on top also. Just for an extra little boost. I can't help but to put a lot of glitter and shimmer on my eyes. Look how gorgeous that looks. So pretty. Just gonna do my eyeliner off camera. Eyeliner done. And then next, look how sharp that is. And now I'm gonna do my mascara real quick. I really do love this mascara. It's the Great Lash by Maybelline. It just makes my eyelashes look so much more fuller and longer. It's a really great mascara. You guys should definitely try it out. Now I'm just doing my foundation off camera real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, foundation done. I used the Juvia's Place in the color Burkana. I'm gonna take this like grayish purple and I'm gonna use that under my brow bone. Just because it just softens the look a little bit. And it highlights my underbrow bone a little bit. Such an interesting color. But it works well. This is how the eyes look. So pretty. Now time for blush. Of course, I'm using the Juvia's Place blush. Since this look is purple, I'm going to stick with this purple look. And I'm just going to put blush all over my cheeks. I am a sucker for blush. Look, I used to wear blush like a lot in high school. I mean, too much. More blush than anybody should ever wear. I just put it on my nose some. Just to bring more color back into my face. Okay, now I'm using this Super Shock highlight called The Real Thing by Colourpop. It's such an interesting highlighter because it's like, how do I explain? It's soft like putty. It has like this plastic cover on it that comes with it. And I always replace it so it doesn't dry out. It's like literally putty. Like, it's interesting. So I'm going to put it down on my nose, on both of my cheeks, and my Cupid's bow. But it gives off such a pretty like shimmer. I'll just put a little bit on in this video, but it's so pretty. So pretty. It's like wet. And it's gorgeous. Now I'm doing my lips. I'm using this lipstick. It's in the color Intense. It's a bright red, but I don't want like a bright red look. And since this one is watery, I'm just going to dab a little bit on. And then I'm going to use my finger to like thin out the color even more. Just so I have like a pale color on my lips. And that's the look, guys. So this is the look I came up with the Lilac You Alot palette. I think it's really pretty. And I definitely dig this palette. Even though there is some fallout, I think it's totally worth it. So please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and check out my giveaway that's going on. See you in my next video. Bye!